my channel. So I'm not always dressed up like this, but today I'm going to be doing a photo shoot. I'm going to be taking pictures. So today the mode of taking pictures is a bit different. So I'm going to be taking photos with red, blue, green, yellow, all sorts of colored lights. But since we are at home and I don't have all the equipments to create these colorful lights, I'm going to be using the cheaper version or the alternative version to take such cool photos. So normally when people take these professional photos, they use gels, which are like color films that you place on the light that you have, or they use colorful lights, LED lights or some sort of colored lights. Since I have none of those and all I have are mobile phones, using those mobile phones, I'm going to be creating these color light effects and going to be taking pictures. I'm super excited for this one and I'm sure you will love this one. So also make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Wednesday, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any video that I upload. And now that everything is said, let's get into the video. Okay, so for taking those photos we require these colored lights. For that I'm going to be using an app called a Screen Flash. And on that you can see there are different colored lights that you can choose, and then when you click on that torch button, it changes the color of the screen into that color. You can adjust the brightness and change the color as well, like how bright you want. And I'm going to be requiring two phones, so both of these phones are Android phones, and that is the app that I will be using. I would be placing both of these phones near my face and taking portraits. Now with this, one disadvantage is that you can't take normal photos because you have to hold your phone on your face, but the phone brightness is not as bright to get like a full body shot. So this is like an alternative cheaper version that we're doing, so I think this works great for that. And also you have to turn off all the lights in order to do this, and this is the backdrop that I will be using. This is the blue chart paper that I placed like stuck on the wall, and I will be standing in front of that and taking photos with these colored lights.
Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play a rewind? I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on.
I'm going to be using this one tripod and a gorilla pod as the source income of my light. The source of my light. I'm going to be placing this on a chair which is beside me. I'm going to start the app from the phones. So the advantage of this is that I don't have to hold both of these phones in my hand. I'll just keep it on and start taking pictures. So if you don't have a tripod, there is no worry. You don't need fancy equipment to take photos. You can always keep your phone on a chair or a table. Just make sure it's very safe and doesn't fall over and break. So yeah, now I'm going to start taking pictures. I'm going to turn these both lights off. Turn both these lights on and turn the light off, and I'm gonna place it over here and start taking pictures. So I had a lot of fun in clicking these photos, and these are my final outcomes of the photos. I really loved the photos and how it turned out. Some of the photos did turn out to be blurred because I was taking it with a mobile phone. But if you have a DSLR view, then you can take some really nice photos. So that is it for the video. Also, if you have any queries or questions, leave it in the comments down below. I make sure to read each and every comment, and I'll also get back to you as soon as possible. I hope that you like this video. I have put a lot of effort into making this one. So I would really appreciate if you click on the subscribe button. I post videos every Wednesday, so there's always a new video coming up next Wednesday. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So that's Chubby. Whose name is Chubby. Hi. Oh, it's not because of you. I love you. You know that. So yeah.